I was attracted to trading for a second income and also to prepare, thinking of like retirement. I'm not sure how my pension is valued, but I wanted to sort of effectively that to be my main source of income actually. So eventually do that at full time anyway. So, and the sooner the better, really. I know Trading College uses the success formula, which is very good. Mindset, strategies, execution. So I think all three of those are paramount to success. And the whole program is excellent. The learning hub is brilliant. The mentorship day groups are excellent. You get to meet other people who are in the same boat as you. You get to meet your coaches face to face. And I've also enjoyed the one-to-ones, really. I think it's about learning the strategies and getting your mindset right and practicing. So you're practicing the strategies, you're practicing the execution of those strategies, and you're also practicing how you think as well, your mindset as well. So that's also part of the practice. So practice, 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 really. I think you're getting good at a new skill. Banking out some really big trades on a demo account, some really good 100-point moves. And because it was a demo account, you can be more carefree with that, and you can take the risk. You're willing to stay in moves longer because it's not really your money anyway, you know. And I was making some really good moves that way. I think probably out of all of them, I've enjoyed the day groups the best. But I think you probably learn most in the learning hub because that's where all the education is. Trading college, yeah, I think I would. I've been very impressed. I mean, yeah, I think 9 or 10 out of 10, really, because I think Trading College does its utmost best to help the students. I think the students then have to apply it.